Are you feeling unsure about what to do with your investments? Wondering if you should hold on to your favorite stocks or let them go? I know how challenging it can be to make the right decision in the stock market. The fear of missing out or making the wrong move is real. But don't worry, I have got you covered. In today's video, I will guide you through the latest updates on 13 popular stocks like Trend, Tips Music, CDSL, and more. Together, we will figure out if it's time to buy, sell, or hold these stocks in your portfolio. Stay with me till the end because every update could be a game changer for your investment. Let's dive in and make a smart decision that bring you closer to financial freedom. This is Nifty 50 chart and you can see here market is in consolidation phase. Okay, and since September 2024, in last 3 months it is 10% down. So definitely your stocks or your portfolio must be 10% correction there. There should be the 10%, almost 10% correction. So this is called correction. This is not actually the downtrend. So when you see the chart from Nifty 50 chart from April 2020, from April 2020, it was in uptrend till October 2021. I think more than 1 year, 1.5 year, I think. Okay. After October 2021, it was in consolidation phase from here to April 2023. It means from October 2021 to April, May 2023, market was in consolidation phase. And after May 2023, uptrend started. Okay. And till September 2024, it was in big uptrend. And our portfolio, our stocks have also given very good return. But in last 3 months, October, November, and December, there is some correction. Okay. Just move to our share. This is Trent. Trend at present, Trend is also in consolidation phase since last 3 months. So we should not make new entry. And if you are holding the share of Trend, you should not buy more or add tranche. You should not add tranche here. And there is no any exit indication, so we should not exit because I prefer whenever the share price of any company goes down to EMA 21, then I exit or I sell. So this is not the time to sell. Before moving further, this is disclaimer that I am not a SEBI registered advisor. This video I am creating for the educational purpose only. Next stocks, Tips Music. Tips Music is also in consolidation, so we should not make new entry and we should not add tranche and also don't exit. CDSL. CDSL is in uptrend still. After market correction, it is in uptrend. So if you have not bought as yet, you can make new entry. And if you are holding the share of this company, you can add the tranche, but you should not book the profit. Safari industry, you can make new entry, but it is in the same phase in consolidation, you can say, or you can wait for some time when the share price will go above 2650 rupees, then you should make new entry or add the tranche, but we should not exit. Polymedicure is also in consolidation. We should not add tranche. No need for make new entry, and also we should not exit. NH, Narayana Hrudayalaya. Narayana Hrudayalaya is also in consolidation phase. Okay, but it is also it's above from EMA 21. So we should not exit and not make new entry, and we should not add tranche. BSC. If you want to add the tranche, you can add. If you want to make new entry, if you are not holding, you can make new entry. You should not book the profit. Newgen software, it has given how much return this month? This month it is up approx 50%. So if you want to add the tranche in Newgen software, you can. And if you are not holding this company, you can make new entry, but you should not exit. You should not book the profit. BASF, big correction in November month as well as in December month. So we should avoid new entry as well as adding tranche, but we should not exit. Persistent system, very good. You can add the tranche as well as you can make new entry, but you should not book the profit. Newland Lab also we should not make new entry, not add tranche, and also exit is also not triggered. KP Energy Limited, KP Energy is also not moving upside, so avoid adding tranche as well as making new entry, and also you should not book the profit. And the last is Beta Dux also avoid making new entry as well as tranche adding or exit. So I hope this video gave you clarity and confidence about your investments. Remember, the stock market is not just about numbers. It's about staying informed and making decisions that align with your goals. If you found value in these updates, please like this video and share it with others who could benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and hit the bell icon for more insightful stock market updates and strategy. Let me know in the comments which stock update you found most helpful, or if there is a stock you want me to cover in my next video, please share it. Thank you for watching, and as always, invest wisely and stay happy. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.